Hello everyone. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is counting solids. Okay. So for example, if we talk about any solid, for example in this figure, if it is given that this is a Rubik's cube. Okay. So how many small cubes are there in a Rubik's cube? Okay. So we know that it is a matrix of 3 cross 3 cross 3. Means what? The height is 3. For example, this is also made up of 3 cubes. This is also made up of 3 cubes. Okay, and this is also made up of 3 cubes. Okay, so if we calculate, then how many smaller cubes are there? 3 into 3 9, and 9 3 is 27. Okay, so we will directly move to the next slide from starting of a question. Okay, so this is not a type of a counting solids, but of a counting of how many shapes are formed. Okay, so the question says how many pentagons are there in a three-dimensional structure of given below, and this question came in 2017. We know that this is a somewhat relatable shape that we have learned in our 12th class. Okay, so this is a isotope of a carbon. Okay, carbon of, this is known as a C60. Okay, and this shape or this saucer ball like thing is known as Buckminster fullerene. Okay, so how many, since we can see easily that these are made up of either of hexagons, okay, and the other shape is pentagons. Okay, so you have to tell how many pentagons are there in this shape. In Buckminster fullerene, so there are 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons. बट अगर नहीं याद है वहाँ पे, so how we can calculate? ठीक है, so we can easily see that the first pentagon is this. Okay, then उसके बाद उसके अराउंड सारे hexagons है. Okay, so this is hexagon, this is hexagon, this is, and this is hexagon. Okay, so the other pentagon is here. Okay, similarly we can see that एक छोड़ के फिर एक pentagon है. Then here is pentagon. Okay, here is pentagon and this is pentagon. Also अगर back side पे 6 pentagons हैं तो इस side पे 6 होंगे. So we can also show. Okay, so ये जो form करेगा, for example this is pentagon. I think I should change the color. Okay, so this is pentagon, this is pentagon, this is pentagon, this is pentagon, and this is pentagon. Okay, so these are 5 and this. Okay, so in back side 6 pentagons are there and in front side 6 pentagons are there. So total number of pentagons are 12. So we can also easily calculate. But अगर हाँ आपको पता है ये शेप कौन सा है और ये 3D सॉलिड कौन सा है, सो आप लाइक 2 सेकेंड में आप वहाँ पे आंसर लिख के आगे चल सकते हो. ओके, सो वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, so this type of question I was discussing about. So here you have to calculate like a number of blue cubes. Okay, so you have to calculate number of blue cubes in the structure. 1 second. So if we see the question, some cubes are missing from 4 by 8 by 8 tightly packed structure. So 4 8 by 8 means this is 8, this is 8, okay, and this is 4. So structure is made up of alternating white, blue cubes as shown below. No cubes have been removed from the portion that is not visible. What is the number of blue cubes in the structure? So finally you have to calculate the number of blue cubes in the structure, as it is given that no cubes are removed from the shape or from the solid which is not visible. Okay, so you have to calculate number of blue cubes. Okay, so this is made up of 4 cross 4 cross 4. If we calculate the first thing, like for example if we divide this and calculate the number of blue cubes in only first thing, like in first 3D shape of this much. Okay, so how many blue cubes are there? Okay, in the first line, if we can see, in the first line there are 4 cubes. Okay, so 4. How many lines are there? In second line also 4 cubes will be there, because in the place of white the blue is there. Okay, okay, for example in the second line, if we see that the blue will be here, here, here and here. Okay, so 4 will be there. Also the third line is same as the first line, so in third line 4 cubes will be there blue, and in fourth line also there must be 4 cubes. Okay, so how we can calculate? 4 cross 4. So total number of blue in first line, or we can say we are calculating for the back side of some plate like structure. Okay, so 4 cross 4 is 16. So how many like shapes which are filled? Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this you, I think this you understood that यहाँ तक कोई भी शेप गायब नहीं है. ओके, इसीलिए हमने इस पूरे स्ट्रक्चर को एज इट इज़ काउंट कर लिया है. ओके, सो 16. सो अगर एक में 16 है, सो 4 में कितने होंगे, अदर 3 में कितने होंगे, बाई मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई 4. सो दिस बिकम्स 64. ओके, अब हम इसकी बात करते हैं, द फिफ्थ वन. ओके, सो दिस इज़ 1, दिस इज़ 2, दिस इज़ 3, दिस इज़ 4 एंड दिस इज़ 5. अब अगर हम फिफ्थ की बात करते हैं, दिस लाइन, सो ये जो लाइन है पूरी कंप्लीट है एक्सेप्ट दिस वन. बस यहाँ से एक क्यूब गायब है, वो भी ब्लू गायब है. अगर वाइट गायब होता तो हम 16 प्लस कर देते और मे बी हम डायरेक्टली 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते, बट यहाँ पे ब्लू गायब है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, 16 थे टोटल, एक ब्लू गायब है, सो क्या हुआ, इट बिकम्स 15. सो वी विल एड 15 इन दिस. ओके, नाउ वी विल कम टू द सिक्स्थ पार्ट. तो सिक्स पार्ट में क्या है, अच्छा अब सिक्स पार्ट में लेट्स एज्यूम दैट ये टॉप वाली पूरी ही रो गायब है. ओके, सिर्फ नीचे वाली ही रो है. ओके, सो पहले हम 4 इंटू 4 कर रहे थे, अभी हमको सिर्फ 3 के लिए करना है, तो व्हाट विल डू, 4 इंटू 3. ओके, सो दिस बिकम्स 12. ऑल्सो उसके अबव वाली लाइन में जो हमने एज्यूम किया था कि पूरी गायब है, उसमें तो ये वाला शेप है, दैट इज ब्लू. ओके, सो वी विल एड 1 इन दिस, सो दिस बिकम्स 13. दिस इज फॉर द सिक्स्थ वन. ऑल्सो फॉर द सेवेंथ वन इफ वी सी, तो सेवेंथ में क्या है, जस्ट अ मिनट, in seventh, if we in the seventh, so this is 1, this is 1, so this becomes 2. also जहाँ पे white होगा वहाँ पे ही होगा blue. so in the this line, so 1 2, so this becomes 2. in the third line जहाँ पे white होगा, so 1 2 3. okay, in the last line, so 1 2 3 4. so in the seventh one, so total number of the blue cubes are 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. so 11 are the number of blue cubes. Okay, so if we see the last one, that is the eighth one, so we can directly calculate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. so 11 are the numbers. Okay, so we can directly calculate how many blue cubes are there. so 5 4 9 9 10 11 12. so this becomes 14. okay, so not here, here. so 6 plus 1 7 8 9 10 11. okay, so 114 is the correct answer for this question. okay, we'll move to the next question. okay, so this question is similar as the earlier one. okay, so what does this say, the figure shown below is a composition of a cubes of 4 by 4 by 4 matrix. okay, so what is 4, this must be 4. अगर यहाँ से cubes गायब नहीं होते तो this must be 4, this is 4 and this is 4. okay, so the matrix is 4 by 4 by 4. some of the cubes are removed but no cubes those are not visible are removed. okay, so जो दिख रहे हैं सिर्फ वही cubes remove किए गए हैं, बैक साइड से कोई भी क्यूब्स रिमूव नहीं करे गए हैं. सो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ क्यूब्स इन द होल कॉम्पोजिशन. ओके, सो अगर यहाँ पे गायब नहीं होते, लाइक इफ दे हैव नॉट रिमूव दीज टाइप्स ऑफ क्यूब्स, सो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, so 4 into 4 16, 16 into 4 64. ओके, सो हम इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं? वी विल वन वन थिंग, वी कैन कैलकुलेट द लेयर वाइज. ओके, सो इन हाइट इफ वी डिवाइड द लेयर 1, layer 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so in first layer if we calculate the number of cubes are, we can easily see that the cubes are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 7 for first layer. Similarly in the second layer if we see that the total number of cubes must be 4 into 4 अगर गायब नहीं होते तो, but they have been removed. So 16 में से कितने रिमूव करे गए हैं? This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So we will minus 3, this comes 13. So this is 13. Also in the third layer if we see, so only one cube is removed. Okay, so number of cubes in the third layer is 16 and 1 is removed, so the answer is 15. This is for 2 and this is for 3. In the fourth layer if we see, so similarly there are 2 cubes are removed. Okay, so the answer is 14. Okay, so we will calculate this. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 4 19. So this become 2, 3 and 4. So your answer is 49. Okay, similarly we will move to the next question. Okay, so these are types of the solids which are somewhat symmetrical. Okay, so what does this say? Count the number of cubes in the following geometrically symmetric regular body. Okay, so if we can see that this is a like shape of a cube. Okay, and then in every face or if in every corner some cubes are drawn. Okay, so if we can see that on each face there are 4 cubes. Okay, so अगर each face पे 4 cubes हैं, so there are number of 6 faces in a cube, so we will directly multiply by 4. ठीक है, सो अलग अलग सबको कैलकुलेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा. लाइक 4 हमने यहाँ कैलकुलेट किया, फिर हमने यहाँ कैलकुलेट किया, फिर हम साइड में कैलकुलेट करेंगे, बैक साइड डाउन. सो बेटर है कि हम उसको डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई कर दे बाय 6. ओके, सो 6 नंबर ऑफ फेसेस एंड देन इन ईच फेस 4 क्यूब्स आर देयर, सो दिस बिकम्स 24. ओके, also if we can see in corners there are 1 cubes. Okay, in each corner there is 1 cube, so number of corners in the cube are 8. Okay, so in 8 corners there are 1 cube, so this becomes 8. Okay, so जो एक्स्ट्रा पोर्शन था उसका हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया. ऑल्सो देयर इज वन स्मॉल क्यूब इनसाइड ऑफ अ सॉलिड. ओके, दैट इज अ सॉलिड. That's the solid part also of 3 by 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so 1 2 and 3 एक छोटा सा क्यूब बन रहा है अंदर के साइड में, मैट्रिक्स ऑफ 3 क्रॉस 3 क्रॉस 3. So we can directly calculate by multiplying. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Okay, so this was very easy question. So 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. So this becomes 59 and this is your answer. Okay, so we will move to the next question. Okay, so this question is like the symmetrical, same symmetry will be applied in this question. The solid stack of equal sized bricks without any hollow spaces are shown in the perspective below. Okay, so there is one brick at the top of the stack and all the bricks are in the same direction. How many bricks are there in the following stack? Okay, so this came in 2016. Okay, so options भी दिया होता है, so थोड़ा सा easy हो जाता है solve करना. Also if you can imagine this line, this line, this line, this line and this line, if you can easily imagine कि यहाँ पे इस वाले पोर्शन पे कितने ऑफ ब्रिक्स रखे हुए हैं, लाइक 1 2 3 एंड 4 रखे हुए हैं. ओके, सो अगर यहाँ पे 4 हैं सो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे 5 होंगे, देन ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे 6 होंगे. सो 6 + 5 11, 11 + 4 इज 15. ओके, सो ये जो शेप बना हुआ है ये चारों साइड बना हुआ है. ओके, सो 15 × 4. ओके, सो दिस बिकम्स 60. ओके, देन ऑल्सो, अच्छा अब ये हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया, ये हमने यहाँ तक. ऑल्सो ये वाला भी तो है, ये वाला है, और ये सिर्फ हम एक कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे, ये पूरा स्टैक है ना, सो नीचे तक भी बना होगा. सो 6 + 1, सो दिस बिकम्स 7. Okay, so center part, so your answer become 67. Okay, this was pretty easy question. We'll move to the next question. So this is the last question, I think. Shown below is a stack of identical bricks arranged without empty spaces between them. How many additional bricks are required to complete the stack in a regular rectangular block? So by dash line it is given that कौन सा रेक्टेंगुलर ब्लॉक की बात करी जा रही है. ओके, सो अगर यहाँ से देखें, सो दिस इज पार्ट 1, दिस इज पार्ट 2. द पार्ट 1 इज सिमेट्रिक टू द पार्ट 2. ऑल्सो अगर हम यहाँ का ब्रिक्स कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं, उसको डायरेक्टली हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं इंटू 2, एंड जो सेंटर वाले हैं उसको हम प्लस कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो बाई कैलकुलेटिंग दीज ब्रिक्स लाइक 1 2 एंड 3. ठीक है, सो 3 इधर है तो 3 यहाँ पे भी होंगे. So 3 + 3 6 and 1 7. Okay, 7. So this we can easily see 2. This is 3 4 5 6. So this becomes 13. Okay, so अगर एक साइड 13 है so similarly 13 इधर भी होगा, so we'll multiply by 2. So this becomes 26. Also यहाँ पे कितने हमने कैलकुलेट किए थे, यहाँ पे अगर 3 है सो यहाँ पे 4 होगा, यहाँ पे 5 होगा. सो एकदम बैक साइड में यहाँ पे 5 है. अगर हम यहाँ की बात करें तो सो कितने रखे हैं, 1 2 3. ठीक है, सो नीचे भी 3 होंगे बट ये 2 और हैं सिमिलरली. सो यहाँ पे नीचे कितने हैं, 3 + 3 6, बिकॉज ये हॉरिजॉन्टली रखे हुए हैं. ओके, सो 3 + 3 becomes 6 and 7 and 8. ओके, so this becomes 8 9 10 and 11. 11 + 5 is 16. Okay, so this becomes 2 3 and 4. So number of the blocks are 40. Okay, so this was very easy question. Okay, so thank you. We will meet soon with a new video. Okay, thank you so much.